Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're going to explore the different ways to say in Hebrew. The preposition be is the key to expressing this concept. So, let's dive right into it. The base form of in Hebrew is be. Be. This prefix attaches to the word that follows it. For example, be-Israel means in Israel. But it gets a bit more complicated. Depending on the noun or the pronoun, the form of be changes. Let's go through them one by one with example sentences. First, let's start with be. Be, which means in me. For example, to say, there is faith in me, you would say, yesh bi emunah. Yesh, there is, bi, in me, emunah, faith. To say, in you, when referring to singular male, you would say, becha, becha. For example, to say, there is great strength in you, when speaking to a singular male, you would say, yesh becha otzma rabba. Yesh, there is, becha, in you, singular male, otzma, strength, rabba, great. To say, in you, when referring to singular female, say, bach. Bach. For example, to say, there is mercy in you, you would say, yesh bach rachamim. Yesh, there is, bach, in you, singular female, rachamim, mercy. To say, in him, you would say, bo. Bo. For example, to say, there is passion in him, you would say, yesh bo tshukah. Yesh, there is, bo, in him, tshukah, passion. To say, in her, you would say, ba. Ba. For example, to say, there is hope in her, you would say, yesh ba tikva. Yesh, there is, ba, in her, tikva, hope. To say, in us, you would say, banu, ba-nu. For example, to say, there is power in us to make a change, you would say, yesh banu koach leshanot. Yesh, there is, banu, in us, koach, power, leshanot, to make a change. To say, in you, when referring to plural males or a mixed group, you would say, bachem, ba-chem. For example, to say, there is great wisdom in you, when referring to a mixed group or plural males, you would say, yesh bachem chokhma rabba. Yesh, there is, bachem, in you, plural males or mixed, chokhma, wisdom, rabba, great, female. To say, in you, when referring to plural females, you would say, bachen, ba-chen. For example, to say, there is ability in you, you would say, yesh bachen yecholet. Yesh, there is, bachen, in you, plural females, yecholet, ability. To say, in them, when referring to males or to a mixed group, you would say, bahem, ba-hem. For example, to say, there is courage in them, you would say יש בהם אומץ. יש, there is, בהם, in them, male, אומץ, courage. To say in them, when referring to females, say בהן, בהן. For example, to say there is serenity in them, when referring to females, say יש בהן שלווה. יש, there is, בהן, in them, females, שלווה, serenity. Now, let's look at some other ways to say in Hebrew. To say inside or indoors, you would say בפנים, בפנים. For example, to say I was inside all day, you would say הייתי בפנים כל היום. הייתי, I was, בפנים, inside, כל, all, היום, the day. Another way to say inside or within is בתוך, בתוך. For example, to say the bag is inside the room, you would say התיק בתוך החדר. התיק, the bag, בתוך, inside, החדר, the room. Here as well, like many other Hebrew words, the word בתוך can be modified to reflect what you're talking about. For example, to say inside me, you would say בתוכי, בתוכי. To say inside you, when referring to singular male, you would say בתוכך, בתוכך. To say inside you, when referring to singular female, you would say בתוכך, בתוכך. To say inside him, you would say בתוכו, בתוכו. To say inside her, you would say בתוכה, בתוכה. To say inside us, you would say בתוכנו, בתוכנו. To say inside you, when referring to plural males, you would say בתוככם, בתוככם. To say inside you, when referring to plural females, you would say בתוככן, בתוככן. To say inside them, when referring to males, you would say בתוכם, בתוכם. To say inside them, when referring to females, you would say בתוכן, בתוכן. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.